Do you have a multi-layout construction that needs to be uploaded to iSolarCloud? In this video, I'll show you how to upload both 1-to-1 and 2-to-1 layouts using the iSolarCloud web. First, click on Layout Settings. Then select your desired layout type. You can edit and rename your layout, and also choose your optimizer to module ratio. Once your layout type is set, you can proceed to input your layout according to the selected configuration. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.